Oh, 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 Bangkok, baby. I am here, gotta love this city, just so much to see. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby. I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough, it's Bangkok, baby. I'm so ready to see, wanting more than this. I know it, but what am I to do? I need to check out more of the city, so give me some stuff to see. So give me more stuff to see. I need stuff. Bangkok, baby. Get out and get about, gotta see what's around. It's Bangkok, baby.
Okay, so we're in Hua Hin Beach, and we're just gonna walk all the way down to, there's a horse right there. So we're gonna walk all the way down to a temple, straight down that way, and kind of give you an idea of what it's like, and including the beach itself. I got some music in the background over there, live music. Hua Hin, Thailand. I was just there. So this is the only video I made of Hua Hin. I was kind of busy there, so I didn't really, I was with my kids, basically. I got a couple kids, so I was with my two kids, and getting in some dad time. But this particular video is of the beach, so I filmed it and gonna put it up there for you. It's right in the middle. It's like the main beach in Hua Hin Beach actually. And so here it is. I'll do the walk and talk, and the music is also from Thailand as well. I created that in AI so you can see the lyrics. And let's get right into the beach, and I know that's what you want to see. You don't want to see me talking about it. You want to see it as if you were there yourself. Let's go. Okay, so it's Hua Hin. It's today is a Friday, so it's a Friday evening. I would just kind of show you what it looks like. I probably have the camera lens on not an ideal setting. Everything's more for being in streets, but it does give you an idea of the whole beach and the trees and the horses, and kind of gets that periphery view as well, so you can see the entire beach, including the rocks over here and all types of kind of cool things. So we're gonna walk straight ahead. We're gonna see some horses here, and kind of give an idea what it all looks like. So let me see, Hua Hin is about 3 hours south of Bangkok. It's about 30,000 people. A lot of foreigners come here, and at this particular beach they'll do horse rides. So you'll have a ton of horses straight ahead. We're gonna walk by those too, see if they ask us to give them money for taking photos, videos. And right there is the entrance, so that's where the horses are waiting, because they know that tourists will come through. And I would say, I think that most of the people here would be tourists. So get out of the way for that. So you got some horses there, and especially now I'm seeing so many foreigners everywhere. So we're gonna be walking all the way down that way, and we're gonna try to kind of give an idea of what all we're gonna see here. Okay, So let me see. Let's see how we're gonna do this. I guess we're gonna go inland a little bit. Got lots of different food courts, and you can also sit in these chairs as well and just watch the sunset. And they'll bring you beer and food, whatever you like. It's like a restaurant. Okay, let's see. We got some menus as well, so we'll take a look at that real quick. So you got mostly seafood, you got beer. Okay, so I think all the menus are going to be kind of similar. Got some activities. Okay, so we're going to keep on walking. I'm gonna go down a little bit because we get closer to the water. Whoa. Okay. Okay, let me see. So, we're gonna walk all the way to that temple. So basically you can kind of see how the setup is. So you can get chairs and you can sit here, and you can order all this food. Let me just take out another one. So the prices are like 300 baht, 200 baht, stuff like that. Okay. Whoa. Okay. So we're gonna just keep on walking up. Let me see what else I can say about Hua Hin. So Hua Hin is kind of probably the second biggest beach town after Pattaya. So Pattaya would be, I think it's about, I think that might be like 500,000 people in the metro of Pattaya, but this one is maybe 30, and maybe with the whole metro maybe 80,000 people, something like that. So it's quite a bit smaller, quite a bit. And when I've been to Pattaya, when you drive around, and I'm driving here too, it's very spread out in a wide. This is not as spread out, but it is very car centric here. But not in the downtown. There's a small little downtown which is different. Okay. Seashells, seaweed, hotel. Some rocks. Okay, so we're gonna go right up to that temple. So lots of these hotel resorts that they occupy a lot of the property right next to the sand. Oh. So we're gonna go up more. And we're gonna go up to that temple, and then we're gonna get a nice view, and then we're gonna look back at the ocean behind us. And that'll kind of give you an idea of Hua Hin, at least the beach part for this particular video. I'll have some other content as well. Okay. These right here, they have artwork with eyes, so there's kind of a theme throughout Hua Hin. So you'll see those everywhere. There's another one right there too. Right there. And then you get the eyes. You got more eyes right there too. So we're gonna walk and kind of give you more of a view. So that's the beach. Okay, so we're gonna keep walking all the way down. And then you can also see the piers. I'll tell you about that in a moment as well. You got more artwork to the side. Okay. Including all these rocks. Okay, so we're gonna go down a little bit further. Got some food stands. Then you even got a Chinese temple right here too. Okay, so I'm just gonna come over to this view. Then we're gonna end the video. Yeah, you can see some people right there. I heard that they're gonna get rid of all these, create a boardwalk, but I don't know, they're pretty cool. And we're gonna end our video right there.
Bangkok, baby, I'm taking a stroll, seeing what's about. Can't get enough. It's Bangkok, baby.